Hey guys, back with another video, and it's gonna be a review about the Protostar and Superstar. So you can see I got them two today, both of them from a Pro Pack. The Pro Pack was John Ando Pack, as you can see from my last few videos. So it's just gonna go through the reviews of these two yo-yos and all of that. So yeah, let's start off first off with the Protostar. I have two of these right now. I already have the Viktor Gravinsky Protostar and John Ando Protostar Red one. So, it has a center track bearing. The size right now, as you can see right here, it's like a little bit shaped. It has metal in here, and it's like shaped like a counterattack. If you have a counterattack, I think you might know what I was talking about. Or I think it's like shaped like a counterattack. I don't know, but it's actually a good yo-yo in my opinion. So let's quickly test it out. Let's see the weight. No, not the weight. Well, I'm talking about like how long it's been, or does it spit time. So it feels smoother than the Viktor Gravinsky. Not sure if you can see this. Well, it plays smoother than the Viktor. It feels all oily. Smoother than the Viktor Gravinsky. The Viktor Gravinsky version for some strange reason. Yeah, it's actually a little light. If you go, let me go get my yo-yo case. I'll be back. I'll compare you with this. See my yo-yo case. Compare it with the Viktor Gravinsky. So as you can see, the Viktor Gravinsky right there. So if you compare it, they are kind of they are the same, but if you feel these two, it feels different for some reason, in my opinion. So yeah, pretty much that's mostly all of it so far. So, yeah, mostly all I can say about the Protostar. Next up, let's move up with the Superstar Champions Collection Edition. This yo-yo right now is like my favorite out of all. It's raw color. I like the color of it. It's pure raw, not like Splash Edition with red. It would have been nice if it was red too, just pure red. So yeah, it doesn't come with the hub stacks as original, but it does come with these like nubs. It's like a Tic Tac. Oh crap! They're actually pretty. They're like, I think, cushioning for. I don't know what they are. Oh my goodness, these things are so slippery. As you can see, little Tic Tac looking items. So yeah, they have them on each side. If you take them out, as you can see, hub stacks you can add on. Yeah, I will probably take out the hub stacks from my grind machine and place it in there. It'll be since I only have one hub stacks on my grind machine, it kind of sucks. But I'm a thing. I'm gonna go thing. Yeah, pretty much. There's nothing really about it. The shape's like, I don't know how to explain the shape of this. Like unlike this Protostar, it's like H butterfly-ish. I think this one's H's shape. Butterfly-ish. Yeah. I'm not sure because I haven't checked the Superstar stats. Superstar might have came with a center track bearing because of its curve and all that, or maybe a size C, or maybe even a concave. I think it has that line in the middle of it. So, hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Pretty much is it. I might make another video soon of the spin time of this yo-yo. So yeah, see ya.